हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एस क्लासेस। ये टुडे क्लास 10th फॉरवर्ड हम कर रहे हैं। आज इसमें लेक्चर 3 लेक्चर 2 हो गए। इसमें अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेसेशन में 2 लेक्चर हो चुके। तो थर्ड लेक्चर है। इसमें एक्सरसाइज 5.1 NCERT बुक से क्वेश्चन 1, 2, 3, 4 we have done, but one student asked the question 1 second part again. So question 1 second part I want to tell, and after that fourth questions के part है 15. We have done some part in the last video, some part asking now. Okay, I will tell, and then we'll go in the next exercise 5.2 after that. Now question number 2. Okay, question 1 second part. Question 1 second part. Question 1 second part. So what is second part? The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. 1/4 of the remaining remove करते रहे, only 1/4 remove नहीं किया every time. 1/4 of the remaining, ये important है इसमें। तो let in the starting air volume V, okay, 1/4 of this V removed, तो 1/4 of V means 3/4, okay, 3/4 of V second term. After that V minus V/4 removed, तो 3V/4, this is the second. After that on this present at that time, remove 1/4 of this from this, यानी रफ वर्क 3V/4 में से 1/4 of this 3V/4. Main thing this will be third term. At present 3V/4 at a time, remaining 3V/4, तो उसमें 1/4 of that, 1/4 of 3V/4 we have to remove. This is the question. That's why 3V/4 minus 3V/16 ये रिमूव होगा। Then 16 LCM, then 4 3 जा 12, V minus 3V, then 9V/16. This will be remaining after removed the 1/4 of the present. तो present minus 1/4 of the present. This was the important thing. Now third term will be 9V/16. It is third term. Okay, understand this thing. This is the important here, and so on. Now we have to check A2 minus A1. We have to check. Okay, A2 minus A1. What is A2 means 3/4 V minus V. That will be LCM is 4, second term minus first term 4, then 3V minus 1 divided to 4 4V, it is minus V/4. This now check A3 minus A2. A3 is 9V/16 minus A2 is 3V/4. LCM 16. Okay, then 9V minus 4 4 जा 16, 4 multiply 3, then 9V minus 12V, 3V minus 3 upon 16. So these are not equal, as A3 minus A2 not equal A2 minus A1. This implies it is not AP. Answer, not in AP. Clear? Now question 4, 8th part. After this, done? No. Then 8th part of question number 4, exercise 5.1, 8th part, and then forward we have to do. Question 4, 8th part. Okay. Now question number 4, 8th part. What is 8th part of question 4? Minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2. Minus 1 upon 2, same. हाँ जी, तो डिफरेंस A2 माइनस A1 is equal to minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. It is equal to 0. A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Then ये भी 0. This implies it is AP. Okay, because common difference D, small d, because common difference D is equal to 0 everywhere, same, both are equal, then it is AP. Done. Now next part. Okay, some part more asking in this. Now one part here, 9 done, 10 done, 11 asking, 11 and 12 asking. 11. Part 11. What is 11? Question 1, question 4, 11 part. A square, A cube, A4. A square, A cube, A4, and so on. Okay, this is given. So solution: A2 minus A1, second term A square minus first term A. We can't subtract here, unlike है तो common, A common, then A minus 1. Okay, after that A3 minus A2, A third term A cube minus second term A square, highest common factor A square. ओके, ए स्क्वायर हाइएस्ट कॉमन, ये तो अनलाइक है, ये भी नहीं माइनस हो सकते, इसलिए कॉमन लेते हैं जब ऐसे पोजीशन आती है. हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ए स्क्वायर, देन ए माइनस 1. क्या ये इक्वल हैं दोनों? नो, बिकॉज यहाँ ए है, यहाँ ए स्क्वायर है मल्टीप्लाई में, वन फैक्टर सेम है, तो नॉट इक्वल. सो वी हैव टू से from this as A3 minus A2 not equal a2 minus a1, okay, because a square into a minus 1 not equal a into a minus 1, not equal. So it is not AP. Okay, clear? Okay, now like this, common only, subtraction, power, different ये like term नहीं है. X square we can't solve, x cube, x square x cube we can't solve. Okay, these are unlike. Now question number after that part asking 12 also. Okay, now 12 part is root 2 root 8, in root also root 2 root 8 root 18 root 32 sorry, root 18 root 32 and so on. Okay, this given. Now check a2 minus a1. Okay, a2 minus a1, what will come a2 minus a1? a2 is root 8 minus root 2. We can't subtract, these are also unlike. तो root 8 simplify, 2 into 2 into 2 3 factors, और स्क्वायर रूट 2 सेम फैक्टर में से एक ले लेंगे तो 2 रूट 2, एक तीसरा बच जाएगा पेयर वाइज, यू नो स्क्वायर रूट, देन 2 रूट 2 minus root 2 as it is. Now like that 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2, now these are like, then ये subtract हो जाएंगे, then 1 root 2. Okay, now a3 minus a2, we should check a3 root 18 minus root 8. Okay, a3 minus a2 term, second, third. Okay, now root 18 factor 2 3 ja 6 3 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9 2 ja 18. Okay, 2 into 3 into 3. ओके, तो 3 3 डबल हो गए, तो एक आ गया उनमें से कॉमन, तो 3 रूट 2. तो दिस इम्प्लाइज दिस इज 3 रूट 2 माइनस रूट 8. अभी बताया रूट 8 वैल्यू 2 रूट 2. देन लाइक टर्म 3 रूट 2 माइनस 2 रूट 2 1 रूट 2 सेम. तो फ्रॉम दिस वी कैन से एज a3 minus a2 is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to root 2 is equal to d, common difference. So it is this sequence list of the number, it is AP. It is AP. Done. Common difference same, then AP. So similarly we can do. So one part asking power 1 last 15 and 14. So same 15 and 14 same. One I am telling. Okay. 14th and 15th part. One I am telling last 15th part. What is 15th part of question 4? It is 1 square, 5 square, 7 square. 1 square, 5 square, 7 square 73 comma 73 and so on. Square solve कर लो. This implies 1 square is 1, 5 square 25, 7 square 49 and 73. Okay. This implies this. So A2 minus A1. Solution. Okay. A2 minus A1. Second term 25 minus 1, then 24. Okay. Clear? Now A3 minus A2. Third term minus second term. Third term 49. Third term 49 minus second term 25, then equal 24. Same, you can check forward also, because one number forward given, A4 minus A3. You can check A4 73, A3 49. Okay. 13 minus 9 4, 6 minus 4 2. Same. So we can say as A3 minus A2 equal to A2 minus A1 equal to 24 equal to D, common difference. So D is common difference. We are saying D, common difference. Okay. This is same. So it is AP. Okay. This is AP, arithmetic progression. Done. Now this exercise over. Now exercise 5.2 we have to do. Okay, NF star will be used here. We know NF star AN of an AP is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. I told this. Okay, we have to use NF star, this formula. Okay, where D is the common difference and A is the first term and N is the number of term, counting of the term, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, पांचवी, छठी, सातवीं, आठवीं term, N is 8 term, N is 8. N is the number of term, counting. Okay, now exercise 5.2, question 1. What is question 1? In exercise 5.2, you see that in exercise 5.2, question 1, one table is given. A, D, N, AN. A, D, N, A, D, N, and AN. See here, these are four things. A, AN, D, and N. Four things are here, four quantities are here in the formula. To use this formula for question 1, 3 quantity given, any 3, and fourth asking any other remaining asking. As in first part 7, 3, 8 given, 7, 3, 8. To calculate AN by this formula, so AN will be equal to A is 7 by formula, 7 plus N is 8, 8 minus 1, then 7 into D. D is 3. So this will be equal 7 3 ja 21, 21 plus 7, 28. This here Now after that, second part, what given? Second minus 18, A is minus 18. Second, A is minus 18, D asking, common difference, N is 10, N value 10 and A n 0. So solve here, A n 0, 0 equal A is minus 18, A minus 18 plus N minus 1, N is 10, 10 minus 1, 9 into D. D we have to find, okay? So what will be 9 into D, 9D is equal to minus 18 will come here plus 18, then D is equal to divide by 9, 2. So for second part, this is 2, okay? So fill this, clear? Now after that third part, asking in third part, A asking, D given minus 3, N is 18 and A n minus 5. So solve for this. A n is minus 5, so minus 5 equal, use this formula, use the formula, okay? This formula using. Now A n minus 5 equal A. A is not given, we have to find A plus N minus 1. N is 18, 18 minus 1, 17 into D. D is minus 3 into minus 3. Solve this. This will come 7 3 ja, 17 3 ja, 51. Minus 51 will come plus 51. Plus 51 and it is minus 5. 51 minus 5, 46. 46, okay? Then 46. So A is equal to 46. Then A is equal to 46. Fill this. Similarly, fourth part we can do and fifth part we can do. You will do, okay? You have to do this similarly. These part we can do easily, okay? Now question number 2. Question number 2. What is question 2? Question 2, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. First part. What is first? 30th term of an AP. 30th term of an AP equal 30th term of an AP equal, we have to find, that is A30. A30 is equal to A plus N minus 1, yani 29 D. This by using formula, okay? Here given 10 7 4, AP given 10 4, AP is 10 7 4 and so on given, okay? Then use this given, then A30, 30th term, N is 30, A is here A is 10. Okay, first term. Common difference D, second term minus first term. Then this is equal to minus 3. Okay, D is equal to minus 3. Put these things here. So A is 10 plus 29 into D. D is minus 3, then into minus 3. Solve it, then this equal 10 plus 29 into minus 3. So 10 minus 3 9 are 27, 2 carry, 3 2 are 6 and 2 8, minus 87. So 10 minus 87 minus 77 is your 30th term. Answer. Asking 30th term. So here which option? Minus 77, C option. So C option is correct. Option question. Option C is correct. ठीक है बेटा, clear? Now next, second part also similarly we can do. Okay, second part, then question 1 and 2 will complete here today. Okay, 1 and 2. 2 का second part. What is second? 11 term of an AP. AP is given. What AP? Minus 3 minus half, minus 3 minus half and 2 and so on. So asking here 11 term. A11, this we have to find. Okay, A11. So here we can write A in this first term minus 3. Okay, and common difference D here. D is equal to second term minus first term. So minus half second term minus first term is minus 3. Minus 3. Solve this, then D is equal to minus half and minus plus 3 upon 1. Then LCM is 2, then minus 1 plus 6. Then it is 5 upon 2. So D is your 5 upon 2. So use these here. So A11 is equal to A plus, in formula 11 minus 1, 10 into D. Okay, then A is minus 3. A is minus 3 plus 10 into D. D is 5 by 2. Okay, then simplify, multiply and divide. 2 5 ja 10, simplify, 5 5 ja minus 3 plus 5 5 ja 25. Then minus 3 plus 25, 22. Okay, so this is your 11th term. So 11th term is equal to 22. Answer. Okay, so like this we can do. Now up to 2 completed. Now take interest, watch, share, like and subscribe the channel and forward the video to your अनदर फ्रेंड्स और कॉन्टैक्ट, जो भी कोई कॉन्टैक्ट है आपके पास सभी को भेज दें, चाहे फ्रेंड है या नहीं है, कोई आपके पेरेंट्स हैं, कोई आपके अंकल हैं, कोई आपके रिलेटिव हैं, सभी को भेजें। उनके यहाँ कोई ना कोई स्टूडेंट्स है वो आगे भेजें, उनको गाइड करो। थैंक यू। शेयर एंड कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट ज़रूर लिखें कैसी वीडियो लगी। ओके, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल।